Welcome to the world of frugal living. In this video, we'll be embarking on a journey to discover the myriad of problems that can be solved through this mindful approach to personal finance. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. So let's get started. Problem 1. Overcoming debt. Debt is a burden that affects many of us. It can feel like you're trapped in a never-ending cycle, making payments each month without making a dent in the balance. But there's hope, and it's called frugal living. By adopting a frugal mindset and making smart choices with your money, you can turn the tide and start making progress towards becoming debt-free. First and foremost, frugal living is about taking control of your finances. This means finding ways to reduce your expenses and cut back on unnecessary spending. From negotiating bills to finding cheaper alternatives for everyday items, there are many ways to stretch your dollars further. But frugal living is about more than just cutting back. It's also about finding ways to increase your income so you can put more towards paying off your debt. Whether it's taking on a side gig, selling unused items, or finding ways to maximize your earning potential at your day job, there are many opportunities to boost your bottom line. By combining smart spending with effective debt repayment strategies, you can tackle your debt head-on and finally start making progress towards financial freedom. So take a deep breath and get ready to embark on a journey towards a brighter financial future. With frugal living in your corner, you can overcome debt and achieve your goals. Problem 2. Building emergency funds. Emergencies happen, and they often come with a hefty price tag. Whether it's a surprise medical bill, a car repair, or a lost job, unexpected expenses can derail even the most well-planned budget. But with a solid emergency fund in place, you can weather any storm and stay on track towards your financial goals. Frugal living is the perfect tool for building an emergency fund. By focusing on value and cutting back on unnecessary expenses, you can free up more money each month to put towards your savings. Additionally, frugal living can help you find creative ways to boost your income so you can save even more. But it's not just about saving money. A strong emergency fund is also about having peace of mind. By having a cushion of savings to fall back on, you can rest easy knowing that you're prepared for whatever life may throw your way. So, how do you get started building an emergency fund? It's simple. Start small and make saving a priority. Set a goal for how much you want to have in your emergency fund and work towards that goal each month. You can also automate your savings by setting up a direct deposit into a separate savings account. Problem 3. Improving financial literacy. Financial literacy is a critical life skill, yet it's something that's often overlooked. Without a solid understanding of money management and personal finance, it's easy to fall into debt, waste money, and miss out on opportunities to build wealth. But with frugal living, you can gain the knowledge and skills you need to take control of your finances and achieve your goals. Frugal living is a journey of self-discovery, and it starts with taking a deep dive into your spending habits. By tracking your expenses, you can gain insight into where your money is going and make informed decisions about where to cut back. But it's not just about cutting back. Frugal living also provides an opportunity to learn about budgeting, saving, investing, and other critical money skills. Whether it's reading personal finance books, taking courses, or seeking out advice from trusted sources, there are many ways to improve your financial literacy and become a savvy money manager. So, where do you start? The key is to start small and be consistent. Make a commitment to learning something new each day and stick with it. Over time, you'll be amazed at the progress you've made and the confidence you've gained in your ability to manage your finances. With frugal living in your corner, the road to financial literacy is within reach. So why wait? Start your journey today and unlock the power of financial knowledge to achieve the life you've always dreamed of. Problem 4. Saving for retirement. Retirement may seem like a distant dream, but it's never too early or late to start planning for your golden years. With frugal living, you can create a solid foundation for a comfortable and secure retirement. The first step is to get a clear understanding of your retirement goals. How much do you need to save each month to reach your target? What kind of lifestyle do you envision in retirement? Answering these questions will help you create a roadmap for your retirement savings journey. Frugal living provides a wealth of tools and strategies for saving money and maximizing your retirement savings. From cutting back on unnecessary expenses to finding ways to increase your income, there are many ways to boost your bottom line and put more towards your retirement fund. But saving for retirement is about more than just putting money into a savings account. It's also about making smart investments and taking advantage of tax advantage accounts like 401(k)s and IRA. With the right financial advisor, you can create a well-diversified portfolio that will help you grow your wealth and reach your retirement goals. Problem 5. Reducing stress. Before we dive into the topic at hand, I have a small request to make. If you're enjoying this video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by subscribing to the channel. This way, you'll be the first to know about future content and updates, and it will also help us reach a wider audience. Thank you for your consideration. Stress is a silent thief that can rob you of joy, peace of mind, and even your health. When it comes to money, stress levels can reach an all-time high. From the fear of not being able to pay the bills to the burden of debt, financial worries can be a heavy weight to bear. But with frugal living, you can reduce stress and regain control of your finances. By taking a mindful approach to spending and learning to live within your means, you can alleviate the burden of financial stress and start to enjoy life again. Frugal living is a journey of self-discovery, and it starts with taking a deep dive into your spending habits. By tracking your expenses, you can gain insight into where your money is going and make informed decisions about where to cut back. With a solid budget in place, you'll have the peace of mind that comes from knowing where your money is going and having a plan for paying your bills. And when unexpected expenses arise, you'll be better equipped to handle them with grace and ease. But it's not just about cutting back. Frugal living also provides an opportunity to simplify your life and reduce stress in other areas. By focusing on what's truly important and letting go of the excess, you can create a life that's both fulfilling and free from stress. Problem 6. Better time management. In today's fast-paced world, time is a precious commodity. We're all looking for ways to make the most of our time, but it can be difficult to know where to start. With frugal living, you can improve your time management and make the most of every moment. One of the key benefits of frugal living is the ability to streamline your life and simplify your routine. By focusing on what's truly important and letting go of the excess, you can create a more efficient and manageable daily schedule. With a clearer understanding of your priorities, you can make time for the things that matter most. Whether it's spending more time with family, pursuing your passions, or just enjoying life's simple pleasures, frugal living provides a roadmap for maximizing your time and getting the most out of every day. But it's not just about creating more free time. Frugal living also teaches valuable skills like budgeting and organization, which can help you manage your time and resources more effectively. By learning to budget your time and resources, you can prioritize your activities and make sure that your time is being spent on the things that truly matter. So why waste another moment? Start your journey to better time management today and experience the power of frugal living. Problem 7. Increased happiness. Happiness is a fleeting thing, but with frugal living, it can be yours to keep. By taking a mindful approach to spending and focusing on what truly matters, you can increase your happiness and live a life filled with joy. Frugal living is about more than just saving money. It's about living a life that's rich in meaning and purpose. By letting go of materialistic desires and focusing on what's truly important, you can create a life that's filled with joy, love, and happiness. One of the key benefits of frugal living is the ability to simplify your life and focus on what truly matters. By streamlining your life and getting rid of the excess, you can create more time for the things that bring you joy and fulfillment. But it's not just about simplifying your life. Frugal living also teaches valuable skills like budgeting and organization, which can help you manage your time and resources more effectively. By learning to prioritize your spending and focus on what's truly important, you can create a life that's both meaningful and fulfilling. Problem 8. Better health. Your health is your most valuable asset, and with frugal living, you can take control of it like never before. By prioritizing your well-being and making smart choices, you can improve your health and live a life filled with vitality. Frugal living is about more than just saving money. It's about making smart choices that benefit your body and mind. By focusing on healthy habits and making time for self-care, you can improve your physical and mental well-being. One of the key benefits of frugal living is the ability to simplify your life and focus on what truly matters. By reducing stress and creating more free time, you can prioritize your health and make time for the activities that keep you feeling your best. But it's not just about simplifying your life. Frugal living also teaches valuable skills like budgeting and organization, which can help you manage your time and resources more effectively. By learning to prioritize your spending and focus on what's truly important, you can create a life that's both healthy and fulfilling. Problem 9. Environmental sustainability. The world we live in is beautiful, and with frugal living, we can work to preserve it for future generations. By making smart choices and reducing waste, we can improve our environmental sustainability and live in harmony with the planet. Frugal living is about more than just saving money. It's about making choices that are good for the planet. By reducing consumption and waste, you can minimize your impact on the environment and help preserve it for future generations. One of the key benefits of frugal living is the ability to simplify your life and focus on what truly matters. By reducing waste and using resources more efficiently, you can create a more sustainable lifestyle that benefits the planet. But it's not just about reducing waste. Frugal living also teaches valuable skills like budgeting and organization, which can help you manage your time and resources more effectively. By learning to prioritize your spending and focus on what's truly important, you can create a life that's both sustainable and fulfilling. Problem 10. Increased confidence and self-esteem. Confidence and self-esteem are key ingredients for a happy and fulfilling life, and with frugal living, you can build them like never before. By taking control of your finances and making smart choices, you can improve your confidence and self-esteem and live a life filled with pride and purpose. Frugal living is about more than just saving money. It's about taking control of your life and building a better future. By making smart choices and taking pride in your accomplishments, you can improve your confidence and self-esteem and live a life that's truly fulfilling. One of the key benefits of frugal living is the ability to simplify your life and focus on what truly matters. By reducing stress and creating more free time, you can build confidence and self-esteem by making time for the activities that matter most to you. But it's not just about simplifying your life. Frugal living also teaches valuable skills like budgeting and organization, which can help you manage your time and resources more effectively. By learning to prioritize your spending and focus on what's truly important, you can build a life that's both confident and fulfilling. In conclusion, frugal living is a powerful tool for solving a range of problems in our lives. Whether you're looking to save money, simplify your life, or build a better future, frugal living has something to offer. By embracing this way of life, you can create a brighter, more confident future for yourself and those you love.